What's up guys, I am Zain and today I'm going to show you how to verify your Facebook business account. Verifying your business page helps you show up higher in search results, shows authenticity and builds trust with the people searching on the platform. First and foremost, to be eligible, your account needs to be authentic, complete, unique and notable. If you meet all of these criteria, all you need to do is to fill out a form for Facebook to approve your request. So let's get started. So now first thing you should do is to simply open your Facebook and log in into your account. Then you should click on this arrow right here. Then choose help and support. After that, click on help center. Then what you should do right now is to simply search here for verify. Then after searching for verify, you will find here this option right here, request a verified badge on Facebook. Tap on it, then it will jump you directly into this page. Now you have to scroll down till you find this blue option right here, fill in this form. So click on it and here it will show you this page right here. Just let me zoom in. And now I have to fill in all these information. So here in my case, I'm verifying a business page. So I'm going to click on page. Then I'm going to select here the page that I want to verify. Then they will ask you about the document type that you want to attach in order to confirm the authenticity. So here, as you can see, you have many options. You can choose whatever option you want. So I'm going to choose driving license, for example. Then you should now click on this button in order to attach the documents of your driving license. Then go down here in the category partition, select the right category for your business. So I'm going to click on business and brand organization. And here you can enter your country or region. And finally, you should scroll down and add up to 5 articles, social media accounts, and other links that show your page or profile is in the public interest. So you can add your Instagram link, YouTube link, X link, or Twitter, and so on. And once you finish, you can simply click on send. And after that, it will be reviewed by Facebook representatives. Then if you are approved, you will see the blue badge right beside your name. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.